Versace. Versace. Oh, look at the Lambo. Green.
You think this is the real color? It's
No. No. But Lambo, Ferrari, they only do black, red, and white.
So they wrap it, yeah?
This is custom and wrap. Lambo, they don't care, but the Ferrari, if you do this, they can ban you. They say like, we are not gonna sell you a Ferrari anymore. They don't want you to modify the car.
You cannot wrap.
Yeah.
How can they find out?
They had their way. Maradona, when he got the first Ferrari in the 90s, end of the 80s, let's say, there was no black Ferrari. And he told his manager, I want to have a black Ferrari. And they say, but Diego, Ferrari is not doing a black Ferrari, it's only red. And they called to the factory in Modena, and they say, Maradona wants a black Ferrari. Okay. And they made it for him, first time ever. They sold that Ferrari a few years ago for like millions, because it was like custom. But nowadays, of course, you have like Ferraris everywhere. But they're very, very picky. Even Justin Bieber, like he bought a Ferrari, he did whatever they put on Instagram, and the Ferrari said, yeah, we're not going to sell it. Oh, no one? Yeah. They're like, we don't care if you're like everything we try to keep the clients one way, you know?
There's a lot of aggression towards the customer.
Yeah, but yeah, they want to be exclusive somehow.
Check the sound. Look at the sound.
Yeah. It's like a mountain. Going up.